Today, I'm excited to announce the release of 2 new bootcamps for Cisco ACI. Now, those of you who have been following me on social media may know that in early 2022, I did hold a Cisco ACI bootcamp that was open to the public. That bootcamp was a resounding success. However, I realized that more work was needed to ensure that the bootcamps that we offer here at Networks Reimagined are the absolute best that you can find for Cisco ACI. You see, personally, I haven't really ever been a fan of bootcamps. The fact is that I've attended enough bootcamps to know that the dry content coverage through slide decks, the speed at which you jump from one topic to the other, and the superficial labs make it really difficult for you to gain positive results from bootcamps as a network engineer. With that, I'd like to introduce our first new bootcamp, the Cisco ACI Hands-On Masterclass, Zero to Hero. Whether you're entirely new to ACI, you are new to the data center space, or you're just trying to take the DCACI exam and need some training, this bootcamp is for you. It covers every single exam topic on the DCACI exam. I should know since I wrote the official certification guide for the exam for Cisco. But the selling point is that it goes beyond the DCACI exam, and its intent is to provide you real-world know-how and expertise, and to enable you to gain all of the skills that you need to deploy single-site Cisco ACI solutions like a boss. Once you've mastered the fundamentals and are ready to expand beyond a single data center using Cisco ACI, you are then ready to attend our second bootcamp called Cisco ACI Multi-Site and Multi-Pod Hands-On Masterclass. Now, this bootcamp is very advanced. It is not for the faint of heart. It covers topics like active-active data center design, IP mobility across multiple data centers, and zero trust in a lot of detail. It also has a lot of advanced labs and troubleshooting for technologies that include ACI Multi-Site, ACI Multi-Pod, and Remote Leaf. It also covers every single exam topic on the DCACI Advanced, also called DCACI-A exam. And if you are looking to get a detailed breakdown of what's covered on the exam, you can go to our website and find Cisco ACI Multi-Site and Multi-Pod Hands-On Masterclass under the Bootcamp menu. Each one of these new bootcamps is going to be 5 weeks long, 1 day per week of instruction, and the rest of the time you do have 24/7 lab access for the whole duration of the course. That enables you to gain real-world expertise by following the labs that we have included within each course. There are going to be quizzes in addition to those labs, and each lab has a video walkthrough. The quizzes mainly focus on the concepts for the exams, but that's not always the case. In addition to labs and quizzes, we also have modules for programmability so that you can learn how to integrate automation into your deployments. What do you need to do to succeed in a course like this? I actually recommend that in addition to the 8 hours that you would have per week for class instruction, that you have about 20 hours a week for lab practice, in addition to covering and studying the content that we provide you. If you do fall behind for any reason, you are able to do bootcamp retakes with us. The bootcamp retake would be free for the bootcamp itself. However, you will be paying a lab access fee. The amount of the lab access fee will be documented on our website. In case you still have questions or you just want to say hi before your bootcamp start date, You're more than welcome to schedule a one-on-one Zoom call with me by going onto our website and selecting the coaching menu and then Bootcamp Consult. Finally, if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out directly to me, and I look forward to seeing you in one of our bootcamps. Thank you.